Many people want to reduce their household waste but are unsure how to begin. This 30-day plan gives you a simple path. Each week has 3 small steps that help cut your waste nearly in half. All you need is a little consistency and a few new habits. Week 1. Food waste. Step 1. Plan simple meals. Start with a short meal plan. Choose 5 to 7 meals for the week so you buy only what you know you will use. This keeps food from spoiling in the fridge. Step 2. Store produce correctly. Most waste begins with food going bad. Keep herbs in jars of water. Store greens in cloth bags and use sealed containers for leftovers. These small habits extend the life of your food. Step 3. Start a small compost setup. A countertop bin or sealed container works in any home. Fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and tea leaves all belong here. Composting removes a large portion of weekly waste. Week 2. Smart shopping. Step 4. Carry 1 reusable item. Always bring 1 reusable item when you shop. A cloth bag or container replaces several single-use bags every week. Step 5. Buy only what you finish. Avoid large discount packs unless you truly use them. Buying unnecessary items often leads to wasted food or wasted products. Step 6. Choose minimal packaging. Pick loose produce, refill containers when possible, and avoid extra layers of packaging. Week 3. Waste sorting. Step 7. Learn your local recycling rules. Recycling varies by region. Learn what your area accepts. Clean and dry items before placing them in the bin. This greatly improves recycling quality. Step 8. Set up a home sorting corner. A small space with separate bins for compost, recyclables, and landfill waste helps your household stay organized. Step 9. Reduce contamination. Rinse containers, keep soft plastics separate if your local facility accepts them, and avoid mixing food waste with recyclables. Week 4. Long-lasting habits. Step 10. Choose reusable essentials. Use cloth towels instead of paper towels. Replace disposable items with durable ones. This reduces waste without effort once the habit sets in. Step 11. Repair and repurpose. Before throwing something away, check if it can be repaired or reused. Glass jars become storage, boxes become organizers, and worn shirts become rags. Step 12. Monitor your trash bag. Watch how quickly your bin fills each week. Seeing the progress helps you stay motivated and identify areas to improve. By following these 12 steps across 4 weeks, you can cut your household waste by at least 50%. Begin with the first week, stay patient, and let the new habits grow. Every small effort supports a cleaner, healthier world.